Welcome in Lunette, Utrecht. This is my first live streaming. I just want to give a little update. It's not about Lunette, it's not about Utrecht. Lunette is a neighborhood in Utrecht, but something else I want to show you. Because there's a lot of things already blooming. You can see there in there are trees start to flower yet. Well, some are like this, still gray. A lot of trees don't have the leaves on the trees yet, but bit by bit everything is slowly start to get out of the winter and now move under the road, because what I want to show is something that is famous in Japan but not so famous yet in the Netherlands. Look, you can see the trees are still a bit of leafless. But what I want to show you now is here. It's a bit of a hidden gem, southeast of Utrecht. And what I wanted to show you is here. The first cherry blossom starts to grow. You can zoom in. And so these little trees here, I call them little, I think they will bloom soon. So you see a bit flowers. Yeah, so from now on, if I see something interesting, I will update you more. Some lives will be long, some will be short, just how interesting the thing is. Here in this tree you see, they're not so far yet. But I think they will open soon. Soon in the Amsterdamse Bos there's a cherry blossom park, and there's much more. If I have the chance, I want to show you. I've been there last year, showed something on my personal channel, Explore. But this is about it. You see the most of the trees, not much leaves yet, but here and there you can see the first blooming start. As you can see, it's just a cycling path here. So yeah, this is my first live stream. It's all about this, showing around. It's not about me, but of course I will talk about it. So this first live stream, and with the last flower inside. Yeah, this is my first one. Okay, so that's about it is. Have a nice Sunday and enjoy Sunday, and hopefully see you soon. Bye.